Alright guys, I'm here at my 644. I had smoke coming out of this as I was trying to bale. This is my main baler, the New Holland 644. It's very old. It's from the 90s. I've never changed a bearing on here, and I thought this bearing was bad. I went to New Holland dealer, and he thinks it's the clutches here. So he told me I got to take this off, so I went and got a gear puller, pulley puller at Harbor Freight, and I just popped it out. And it's coming. I'm just hitting it gently. He said this is cast iron and will break and will bend. So these hooks are down here in the, not on the edges, but on the meat, which I like. It's coming out. There's a key hole and a key there that it's sliding off of. Things working good so far. I'll be quiet before I jinx myself. So Billy at New Holland, Dixon County Equipment, thank you so much. That's off. There we go, just like he said. Can't lose it. Got that one broken loose. Let's see. Nice and easy. That one's coming loose. Try this guy. And that one's loose. One, two. Oh, I feel that material. That's rust. Put this over here. Take this back off if I can. That was just kind of holding me some tension on there. Billy New Holland said I didn't have to take it off, but sometimes he does just to make it easier. Another one, and another one. Okay. New Holland part number. Got two of them. New one. Old one. Okay. There was the old one. Okay. Got both those. got those hand tight. They need to go to 25 foot-pounds. Need a torque wrench. Just go ahead and put the chain on before I go get a torque wrench. This chain was a little loose anyway. I don't know if that contributed to the clutches or not, or the fact they're 30 years old. All right, I'm here at 25 foot-pounds. There it is. There it is. There it is. There we go. Tiny fine adjustment. All three go on. Perfect. All right. All back where it goes. That's where it goes. All right. All right, let's close her up and try it. All right, PTO will stay on. I think the chain's loose. No smoke, that's different. think I've still got a little adjustment on my chain tension. I'll get the book. It talks about the slop that's supposed to be there. I just don't remember it. I'm gonna let it run a minute. Thank y'all very much for watching. $15 minutes. We'll turn it off and feel that temperature. Oh yeah, it's cold. The bearings are all right. I'll grease everything again, but that bearing is not it. This thing was just jerking and smoking and popping and smoke coming out of both sides. So I think the repair is complete. I want to probably have to, if that's got all the adjustment out, which I think it's not, I think I got a little more. If not, I'll redo that chain. Thank y'all very much.